today I got a Fidget spinner and it is gold and it's got 6 sides. But I've got more than this one. I'll come back to this one at the end. And I got this pink camel one. It's pretty awesome. I got this blue camel one. It's really, really awesome. This one is awesome. Well, it could be better. This one, it is good, but it's light up in the dark, and a lot of people like light up in the dark ones. And last but not least, there is a pink one. And if you see, there's a little moon. Can you all see that? Right. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, that'd be good. I would like a lot of likes. Thank you.